I hope everyone had a great holiday break. You enjoy your Thanksgiving with your family together. Did you eat turkey? That's what we did? Okay. You know what? I saved one turkey last holiday because we did not have one.
Really?
I saved one turkey. Okay? They're so happy running around. Are you done copying this? Because this gonna help you in our new topic. If you want, you can take a picture and then later copy that on your warm-up. Come on, take a picture.
Tomen una buena fotografía para que la puedan revisar más adelante. Pueden quitarse los audífonos, colocarse las tapabocas. Please, if you're still using your headphones, please put them away. Use your face covering.
Good looking.
Alright? The important part there is the colors. I mean, you can easily distinguish which one I'm referring to because of the said colors, which is matching the position of those numbers. Okay? So last time, before we had a break, we discussed about the different relations of angles. Would you give me one relation? If you could remember that, give me one relation.
Vertical.
Vertical angle. Vertical angle are usually what? Are they always equal to each other or equal to 180?
Each other.
Oh, okay. Equal to each other. Equal to each other. What else? Other angle relation, please.
Line pair is equal 180.
Which one?
Line pair.
Okay, linear pair.
Linear pair is 100.
Linear pair is equal to 180. Very good. Because they are supplementary as well. Any more angle relation, please?
Correspondent
Corresponding.
is equal to each other.
Corresponding angles are always equal to each other.
That's just
Very good.
That's just vertical dial.
Corresponding as well. Oh, that's for, I got you. That's for that. Huh? Okay. Okay, the one that we just finished, you know?
Yeah.
We haven't been into that part. Oh, Carter.
Complementary.
Complementary. What's the total measure for complementary angle?
90.
Complementary angle is equal to 90 degrees. The sum of the angle is 90. What's the other one, Carlos? If you have complementary, you also have? What's the other one? Which is equal to 180. Supplementary, very good. Which is equal to 180. There's one more that starts with letter A. It's usually next to each other. What is that? Maria?
¿Cuál es el otro nombre de la relación de ángulos? Comienza por A y está uno pegado al otro.
An angle next to each other. Carter is next to Jose. Jose is next to
Marco.
Lionel. What is that? Sarah, do you remember?
Comienza por A. Miren sus notas.
Email?
Check your
What
notes.
angle relation is that?
Vertical.
Cynthia, do you remember?
Carlos.
What is it? Okay, I'll call Carter.
Adjacent.
Adjacent. Carter knows the answer, but I didn't call him. Adjacent angle. But do you remember all of these?
Yeah.
This is what we did last time, is it? Adjacent angle is always equal to what? It depends. Huh? It depends. It depends because sometimes they are equal to 90, sometimes they're equal to 180, sometimes they're just like nothing because they're just adjacent to each other.
Different measures.
Different measures, okay? Do you remember all of these? Now, adding more. Okay, I'm adding more pair of angle relation, which means that this is another part of showing an angle relation, which means we're not only using the cross lines that we picture out last time, but we also want to have a parallel lines with a bisecting line. So that's what you call the transversal. Now, there you go. You have it already, so I'll just go and, no, this is not your first part. Which one is your first part? Is this your first part? Yes. Okay, so this is your first part. Go do this first. Okay, so angle formed by a transversal. So our lesson for today is about transversal. When you say transversal, listen here. Listen here. When you say transversal, these are two lines bisected by one line in two different points. Which means like, imagine that you are in a cross section or intersection in a highway. Okay? Park Road is your transversal line, meaning they are bisected by different lane. For example, the first, what is the highway, the street there before the thing, whatever? The Sharon Road, that's a line that passes by the Park Road, right? Another way there is Pineville, for example. So that's another line bisected by a Park Road, which means Park Road there that keeps bisecting those streets are what you call transversal. It keeps bisecting lines in different points. Does it make sense to you? Do you understand? You understand? Sarah, you got that part? Okay. For instance, so in this case, your transversal is T, line T. Okay, this is your transversal, which means that this line bisected line L and line M. Line M in different points. 1, 2. If I can, Miss Kapasha, can I add more? Yes, you can. That's another point to intersect. Make sense? So as always, your transversal line can bisect many points in different lines. Alright? For instance, let's do this. This is a transversal line. Okay? You are the line that is bisected by this line. Okay? You are the line. Again, the way that I'm passing through is the transversal line. You are the lines that is being bisected. Got it? Do you understand? Any more question? Barbecue. Have you seen a barbecue? In a skewer. Huh? The skewer stick is your what?
Transversal.
Transversal, and the meat on it are your lines. Make sense? Do you have any question? Do you understand?
¿Preguntas? Ok. Carlos, ¿nos ayudas? ¿Qué quiere decir eso?
Yo,
Sí, Carlos.
allá, o sea, ¿qué quiere que explique?
El título. ¿Qué quiere decir el título?
Ángulos, pares,
¿Ángulos qué?
pares.
No.
O sea, ángulos.
No, el título. Estás leyendo el subtítulo de cada columna. El título grande.
Transversal.
Sí, el que dice arriba. Angles formed by transversals. ¿Qué
Ajá.
quiere decir eso?
Ángulos formados por transversales.
¿Ángulos qué?
Por ángulos transversales.
Ángulos transversales.
O sea, los ángulos de ahí, de allí.
Ángulos formados por transversales.
Ajá.
Ok, listo. ¿Qué es una transversal?
There you go, Honor.
¿Dónde?
Son como los freeways que están así como atravesados.
Correcto, sí señor.
Oh,
Correcto.
good job,
Muy bien.
Honor.
Gracias, Carlos. Gracias, Sonia. Correcto. Yo tengo entonces, mira, sabemos que son ángulos, ¿verdad? ¿Verdad? Entonces yo tengo mi transversal, ¿de acuerdo? Y los ángulos que tengo aquí es cuando una línea los cruza.
Así de sencillo, no importa en qué tipo de ángulo, en qué inclinación, lo que sea, pero si hay una línea que me cruza la transversal, ya estoy hablando de diferentes ángulos que se forman aquí, 1, 2, 3 y 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ¿Sí te das cuenta? Para todos. ¿Sí está claro aquí entonces? Pues yo ya sé que un ángulo es la intersección, el cruce de una línea con la otra. Yo tengo entonces mi línea transversal, ¿de acuerdo? Mi transversal, y cuando hay una línea adicional que lo cruza, como en el ejemplo de una, aquí tenemos nuestra calle que es Park Road, cuando se cruza con Sharon Road, esa intersección, ahí hay 4 ángulos. Cuando se cruza con Pammy Matthews, son otros 4 ángulos, y así sucesivamente. ¿Listo? De eso es que estamos hablando. ¿Ok? ¿Hasta ahí alguna pregunta? ¿No hay más preguntas?
I think the other is transversal.
I think so.
All right, good job. Okay, so here are the angles formed by a transversal. Now, it doesn't necessarily yet, I said yet, meaning it matters later if we have some values that we need to solve here. But at this point, it doesn't matter if your two lines are not parallel to each other. You know what parallel is, right? They do not meet. They've been equally distant to each other and bisected by transversal. At this point, it doesn't matter if it, like, I cross this out or, I put another line here. It doesn't matter. As long as it bisect in different lines, it's okay. Okay? Now, corresponding angle. What does a corresponding angle mean? I need to erase that in order for you to understand further. Okay. Corresponding angle are, hold on. Before anything else, I would like to clarify which one is inner points or inner angle and outer angles. So, when I say angle 1, angle 2, angle 8, and angle 7, they are out. That's what you call outer angles. Again, these are angle 1, angle 2, angle 8, and angle 7. Outer meaning outside. Outside. Can I just say interior and exterior?
See?
Let's just use that instead of outer and inner, right? Exterior.
But actually, outer or inner also helps them out because
Okay.
those are words that we can have here in the, for example, 485 inner, 485 outer.
Okay. Yeah. Right.
That could be the context. ¿Preguntas? ¿Entendió eso?
Those are exterior, outer.
Ok, listo, ya miramos.
Next, if there is an exterior, the opposite of exterior is what?
Interior.
Interior. So we also have interior angles. What are the interior angles now?
5, 6, 4.
Okay, angle 4, angle 3, angle 5, and angle 6. These are the one inside. Alright? Put it there because you will need this. Trust me. Outer, inner. Right? Inner. Okay. Are we good? We have an inner. It's in between the two lines. Those are inner. Outer are those outside. Okay, next. We also have the word same side of the transversal, which means transversal, which means when you say same side of transversal, if I will be the transversal, the same side are this one. Okay, Marisol, Carlos, and everyone here. This is another same side. Okay, so left side, same side of the transversal. Left side, let's call this as left. Let's call this as right side. Okay, left side would start with, left. Angle what? Angle 1, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 8. Those right would start with what? Angle 2, angle 3, angle 6, angle 7.
This one is the outer various angle.
Which one?
This one, the left and right, which are
Oh, the left is this one, this side.
I know, but what's the name of the angle?
Which angle?
Like a one dollar.
Yeah, just angle 1 and angle 4, same side. I mean, they are on the same side of the transversal. 4 and 5, 1 and 8 are the same side of the transversal. We actually don't use left and right. We're just referring to the same side of the transversal. I just put left and right in order for you to know that I'm just referring to this side and the other one is the other
Just
side.
asking this, like, what's the name of the corresponding,
No, not at this point. No label yet. No. We're just labeling the parts of a transversal. Are we good?
Good question, Tomás. Están tomando nota, ¿verdad? Okay.
Are we good? Again, I need to erase this one.
¿Preguntas? ¿Hay preguntas? Yo tengo preguntas. ¿Tú también tienes?
Yo no
Ok.
estoy muy segura,
Ok.
pero sí le...
Listo. ¿Qué pregunta tienes?
No, pues eso de que los exteriores, así se
Sí.
dice, ¿no? Son los que van arriba y abajo. Y
¿Qué?
los interiores son los que van en una línea que es 4, 3.
Correcto. Pero voy a hacer un poquito más de clarificación, ¿ok? Oye, yo estaría haciendo preguntas. Igual yo sé que acabamos de llegar de un break. Nosotros estamos aquí, el cerebro todavía está en la casa, ¿ok?
Entendí.
Ok, muy bien. Tenemos entonces tipos de ángulos. Tengo ángulos exteriores, ¿de acuerdo? O los de afuera, o interiores, o los de adentro, ¿ok? La maestra casi no quería utilizar esta palabra outer, inner. Yo le dije que de todas maneras la colocáramos allí, porque de ustedes, ¿quién conduce? Ok, correcto. Muchas veces la pregunta es esta. Nosotros tenemos la 485 aquí en Charlotte. Ustedes saben cuál es la 485, ¿verdad? Bien, ¿la 485 va hacia el norte o va hacia el sur?
yo para adelante.
Dime.
Para adelante, creo que va.
Correcto. No hay mejor explicación, ¿ok? Entonces, voy a hacer un ejemplo para que usted, esto yo creo que les pueda ayudar.
Sí, porque ya me perdí.
Correcto, mira, a mí también me pasó, ¿ok? Yo por eso estoy hablando, ¿ok? Por eso estoy diciendo las cosas. Si yo hablo de la 485, presten atención aquí los que conducen o los que van a comenzar a conducir para que no se pierdan, como se perdió Mr. Romero y tú, ¿de acuerdo? Charlotte está aquí en la mitad. La 485 son dos circunferencias que van alrededor de la ciudad, ¿de acuerdo? El de adentro es un círculo que va en el sentido de las manecillas del reloj. El de afuera va en sentido contrario a las manecillas del reloj, ¿de acuerdo? ¿Qué quiere decir eso? Que nunca va ni hacia el norte, ni hacia el sur, ni hacia el este, ni hacia el oeste, ni oriente y occidente. ¿Por qué? Porque es un círculo. Cuando yo voy aquí en esta parte voy hacia el norte, pero el mismo que es norte me lleva hacia el oriente, hacia el occidente y todo, porque es un círculo no tiene una dirección definida, ¿de acuerdo? Entonces, si ustedes se dan cuenta, cuando van a tomar la 485 dice inner o dice outer. Dice outer o dice inner. Inner quiere decir, si yo estoy aquí en este momento sobre la Johnston Road y quiero ir a Pineville Matthews, quiero ir a Pineville, entonces debo tomar el inner porque el inner me lleva así. Ahora, por el outer también puedo llegar a Pineville Matthews, pero me toca hacer toda esta vuelta. ¿Cuál quiero hacer? ¿Se me hago entender? Entonces, inner es el de adentro, outer es el de afuera. Entonces, utilizando aquí esto, ojo con la ortografía. Algunos de ustedes estarán confundidos diciendo, o tomaron nota pensando que esto era una L. Este es el símbolo de ángulo. ¿Ok? Este es el símbolo de ángulo. Esta referencia, esto es un ángulo, ¿verdad? Dense cuenta. Entonces, ese es ángulo. La coma aquí para referirnos al plural. Entonces, los ángulos exteriores. Si yo hablo de los ángulos exteriores e interiores aquí en esta transversal, présteme atención que esto es muy fácil cuando presto atención, muy difícil cuando no miro. ¿Ok? Recuerden, algunos de ustedes van a ver cine otros van a escuchar cine. ¿Cuál es la mejor opción? Verlo, ¿ok? Entonces, cuando yo tengo este tipo de gráfico, los ángulos exteriores son los que quedan en la parte de afuera. Entonces, dense cuenta, son los 1, 2 y son 8, 7. Están en la parte de afuera. ¿Cuáles quedaron en la parte de adentro? 4, 3, 5 y 6. ¿Sí me hago entender? Entonces, por eso la maestra coloca, los ángulos exteriores son ángulo 1, ángulo 2, ángulo 8 y ángulo 7. Son los exteriores. Los internos, en la parte interior o en el inner, estamos hablando de ángulos. Ángulos 4, ángulo 3, ángulo 5 y ángulo 6. Esos son ángulos externos. Kamal hacía una pregunta. Decía, ok, ¿y esos ángulos son entonces, son qué? ¿Son verticales, lineales, complementarios? En este momento la maestra dice, no, en este momento no estamos definiendo, no estamos dándole ningún nombre a estos ángulos, solamente los estamos entendiendo y categorizando como ángulos externos o internos. Saber cuál es nuestra vertical y cuáles son las líneas. ¿De acuerdo? Ahora, no estamos nombrándolos como ángulos de la izquierda, ángulos de la derecha. Nosotros los manejamos como ángulos del mismo lado de la transversal. Entonces yo tengo dos lados de mi transversal, el izquierdo, el derecho, puede ser otro tipo de lado. ¿Ok? Me estoy inventando aquí algo de pronto una transversal que es así. Entonces la parte de arriba, la parte de abajo, no sé. Pero el asunto es que tengo los ángulos del mismo lado. Entonces, no los llamamos derecha o izquierda, sino que sencillamente para categorizarlos estamos hablando de este lado de la transversal, ese lado de la transversal. ¿De acuerdo? Es todo lo que hemos estado haciendo aquí. Kevin, para que tú acabaste de llegar, te perdiste esta explicación. Cuando estamos hablando de ángulos formados por transversales, yo tengo mi línea principal aquí que es la transversal, y cuando se cruza con cualquier línea adicional, estamos hablando de nuevos ángulos que se forman por esos cruces. ¿De acuerdo? Bien. ¿Hasta aquí alguna pregunta?
Are we good?
Okay.
Awesome. I think they're really miss our lesson because,
Yes.
they're all paying attention. Yes, Maria.
So, if
I'm afraid of your question, Maria.
you have 3 lines, like, which one, like, supposed to be like?
I'll do that. 1,
Yeah.
2,
3rd line.
3.
Yeah. Which one, like, supposed to be like the?
The transversal?
Yeah.
This line.
No, yeah, I know, this one. But the interior is the exterior.
Okay, good question. I like that. Now, what Maria is asking is which one is the interior and which one is the exterior. I'll make it label as numbers. Good question. Now, which one is the interior and which one is the exterior, Miss Kapasha? Listen, you can only identify 2 sets of parallel lines in a transversal. For example, if I'm gonna choose this one, of course this is our transversal, right? Now, if I'm gonna choose angle 1 and angle 5, meaning I'm only referring to these 2 lines. I'm disregarding these. If I'm choosing angle 2 and angle 11, I'm only using these 2 lines, I'm disregarding that. So these are outside or exterior angles, while these are interior angles. Make sense? If I'm referring here, these are my interior and these are my exterior. I can also use this one. These are my exterior and these are my interior angles. So only 2 are allowed. Yes, London?
That was my question.
Make sense? If I'm gonna add more, that's okay. But you should be familiar with which one are you using. Which line are you using? Not all can be used.
Mr. Pasha, is that why you have labeled those lines
Yeah.
L and M?
Which one? This one? Yes. So if I'm gonna, for example, I will label the line, this is line P, this is line S, this is line R, and this is line T. Which means I will tell you which number will I be using. For example, angle 4 and angle 8. So I am only using line P and line S. Make sense? Make sense now? All right. Any more question regarding this? Do you understand her question?
¿Pregunta sobre esto? ¿Alguien necesita información sobre esto? Pueden decir sí, no. Dime.
¿Cuáles eran los que dijo que sí?
Ok, mira, perfecto. La pregunta que hace María es, listo, aquí tenemos 2 líneas, pero ¿y qué pasa si tenemos más líneas? Si tenemos 3 líneas, como en este caso. ¿Cuáles son los ángulos exteriores? ¿Cuáles son los ángulos exteriores? Porque aquí veo muchos ángulos, ¿verdad? Entonces la maestra lo que dice es, no importa cuántas líneas están cruzando mi transversal, ¿ok? No importa. Lo importante es que siempre nos vamos a referir siempre a 2 líneas. Yo solamente puedo tener 2 líneas paralelas. Puede ser la línea P con respecto a la línea R, ¿de acuerdo? Entonces, si estoy trabajando la línea P y la línea R, que a nosotros nos van a dejar saber cuáles líneas debemos trabajar, entonces, si estamos trabajando P y R, los externos son estos y los internos van a ser estos, ¿de acuerdo? Ahora, si nos dicen vamos a utilizar la línea S y la línea R, los externos son estos y los internos son estos, pero solamente vamos a trabajar 2 líneas a la vez. ¿Tiene sentido? ¿Para todos?
Email.
Ok.
Y si tenemos 2
Transversales.
Ajá.
Dicen, what if we have 2 transversals?
You know what? Can I keep you for up to 4th block? I love it! They're the only one who can ask those questions. No more.
Okay.
Not even my honors are asking that question.
Okay. Ya no explicaste.
Okay, I like that question. Did you hear that? What he said? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now. Okay. Line T, line P, line R, line S. Okay. At this point, we need to know this one. For instance, angle 1 and angle 10. Angle 1 and angle 15. For example. Meaning to say, if I'm referring to this angle relation, I am referring to transversal line T. I'm not using line P as my transversal.
Okay.
If I use angle 1 and angle 5, meaning my transversal is line R, and I'm not using line S. All of them can be a transversal as long as that line is bisecting 2 lines because of this angle pair.
Okay.
Wait, what about Miss Capasha if I have angle 1 and angle 13? These 2 are so separated, so there's no relation because there's no transversal that connects them. They are really separated.
Okay, gotcha. So we are not going to have examples.
Nuh-uh. If you have this type of like almost separated, no relation. Just write no relation,
No
nothing.
Okay. Listo, perfecto. Mira, la pregunta es muy buena. En este caso, la maestra lo que dice es lo siguiente. Voy a borrar aquí esto para que podamos trabajarlo de mejor manera. Si yo tengo este gráfico aquí, ¿de acuerdo? Y los ángulos que me piden trabajar son el 1 y el 15, ¿de acuerdo? Allí yo ya tengo 2 líneas trabajando, ¿ok? Que es la línea T que es esta, ¿de acuerdo? Cuando se cruza con la línea S, con la línea S, tengo estas 2, ¿de acuerdo? Entonces, aquí hay una relación de ángulos, ¿de acuerdo? Mi transversal es esta, porque es la línea principal que se cruza con 2, ¿de acuerdo? Voy a cambiar el escenario. Ahora, 1 y 5. ¿Cuál es mi transversal? Mi transversal ya no es esta, sino es esta, la línea R. ¿Por qué razón? Porque la línea R se convierte en principal ya que es cortada en 2 secciones por la línea T y la línea P. ¿Sí te das cuenta cómo se cambia, cómo gira la transversal? La transversal es la principal que es cortada o tiene intersección con otras líneas. Puede ser así, transversal, línea R, línea S. Ahora, transversal, línea T, línea P. ¿Sí me hago entender? Entonces, cuando yo tengo esta el ángulo número 1 y el ángulo número 5, estoy hablando de la línea T y la línea R, dos líneas, ¿de acuerdo? Ahora la maestra dice, si yo estoy trabajando la línea, el ángulo 1 y el 13, allí no hay ningún tipo de relación,
No.
porque estas líneas están completamente separadas, ¿de acuerdo? Entonces allí no hay ningún tipo de relación entre esos ángulos.
Y el 1 y el 16.
No line that connects them.
El 1 y 16,
15.
sí, el 15, sí hay conexión porque tengo
Yeah,
la
there
línea
is a
T,
connection.
tengo la línea T con la línea S, pero si estoy trabajando este y este, en este grupo tengo esta línea, ¿de acuerdo? Porque este 1 se traza por ese ángulo, 1 se traza por esta línea con esta, y el 13 va con este y este, entonces este y este no se cruzan,
No
esta y
connection.
esta no se cruzan, no hay conexión, ¿de acuerdo? Ok,
Make sense?
muy bien.
All right, let's go. Corresponding angle. Now you need to focus on where are they located, okay? I did not erase the exterior, interior, and same side because that's what we're gonna need. Let's start. Corresponding angle. Angles on the same side. Remember the word. On the same side of the transversal and in the same position. Meaning, if one is up, the other one should be up as well. On the same position and on the same transversal. I'll give you an example. Look at here. These are same side angle. Am I right? These are on the same side. Now, the same position would be angle 5 and angle 1. Which means they are on top of a line. Look at the position. You see that? So angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding. Make sense? They are on the same side of the transversal. They are both in left side, and they are on the same position. They're both in upper part of the line. One exterior and one interior. That's it. One interior and one exterior.
Can have like the same quadrant?
This and that,
No, 1 and 5.
1 and 5. Yeah, same transversal.
Okay.
Give me another pair of corresponding. London.
Angle 4, angle
Angle 4 and angle 8. Look at this. I'll encircle the reason why I erase it. Angle 4 and angle 8. They're both under the line. You got it? They're both under the line, but they are on the same side of the transversal. They're all located on the left side. So angle 4 and angle 8. There are two more. Give me one more pair.
8. Angle 2, angle 6.
Angle 2, angle 6. Angle 2, angle 6. Which means they are on the upper part, but this time on the right part of the transversal. Make sense? Corresponding. Angle 2 and angle 6. One more. There's one more. Okay, very good. So she said angle 3 and angle 7. There you go. And there you have it. We are complete. That's corresponding. Now, corresponding angle are always congruent. When you say congruent, what does it mean? Equal to each other. Equal to each other. You write that because you need it.
¿Preguntas hasta ahí?
Lionel. Come on. Fight it.
¿Ya lo escribiste?
Next. Are we good? Can we go to alternate interior? Okay, I'll read the descriptions and one at a time we're gonna interpret it. Alternate interior. When you hear the word alternate, they don't belong on the same side. One is coming from this side and the other one is coming on that side. So, alternate interior, but there should be both interior. So, at this point, which one are interior? 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? If I gonna take 4 and 5, they are on the same side. So, we can't. If I'll take 3 and 6, they are also on the same side. But it says here, alternate. Meaning to say, one would be on this side, and the other one would be on that side. So that is alternate interior angle. Make sense? You got it? You understand? Okay. So angle 4 and angle 6. What's the other pair? Tell me.
¿Cuál es el otro par?
Angle, you said 3 and 5? Okay. So I'll put a 3 and 5. There you go.
Dime.
Y no podemos poner como 3, 4 y 3, o siempre tiene que ser cruzado.
Siempre tiene que ser cruzado porque son alternos. ¿Ok? Buena pregunta.
Okay, it should be alternate. They should not be beside each other. No, what do you call that?
She usually work cross, like a cross.
Yes, yes, it should be cross. Okay, are we good? Next, let's have alternate exterior. So which one is the exterior? 1, 2, 8, and 7. But it says alternate. So give me one pair of alternate exterior. They do not belong on the same side. London. Angle 2 and 8. So I need to erase this side and this angle. Again, alternate exterior. One on the left side and the other one is on the right side. But they are both exterior. Angle 8, exterior. Angle 8 and angle 2. Now, it doesn't matter if you will not arrange them in, in chronological order. That's okay. Okay? As long as you are writing them as a pair. What's the other pair of exterior angle? Marcus? Angular what?
Angle 1, angle 7.
Very good. Okay? Angle 1 and angle 7 is the other one. Very good. That is correct. I like that. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. These are both interior. These are both exterior. So what about consecutive interior? Let's see, Let's see. Now, when I say consecutive interior, this is also known by the word same. You write there. Same side interior angles. Right there. You might hear me saying same side interior, not consecutive side, but I'm referring only to one angle. Same side interior angle or consecutive interior angle, what does it mean? Interior angles, they're all interior. So what are the interiors again? 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Those are the interior. Am I right? Now, it says interior angles that are on the same side. This time, they are not alternate. It should be same side. So, I want you to give me one pair. Angle 4 and angle 5. So, I need to erase this side because I said same side, interior angle. You got it? So that would be angle 4 and angle 5. Give me another pair. Honor. What's the other pair? Angle? Okay. Angle 3 and angle 6. There you go. Angle 3 and angle 6. Now, why did I stop checking how much do they have in terms of value? Interior angle are always congruent Okay? Congruent. Why congruent? Oh my God. My symbol is wrong. Congruent. Congruent. Sorry. Change that. Change that. This is always congruent as well. But this is not. This is always equal to 180. They are the only one who is equal to 180. No more. Others are always equal to each other, but consecutive is always equal to 180.
La diferencia de este con respecto a los anteriores es que los que son alternate están en cruz, como hablábamos anteriormente. ¿Okay? Ahora, lo que es consecutivo son del mismo lado. ¿Okay? Y en la información que coloca la maestra allí, ella pide que cambiemos el signo de congruente, porque ella lo había hecho mal. Entonces el signo de congruente es el igual como con el palo de la ñ en la parte superior. ¿De acuerdo? En el último, que es consecutive, ahí vamos a tener que el ángulo va a ser igual, igual a 180 grados. Por favor, tomen nota de eso.
Can I scroll down now? Go down. Yes, Marlon. You have a question? No? So we're good so far? I feel the excitement that you really want to answer the thing. Can I scroll down now?
¿Puedo bajar?
Sí.
Ok, ya está.
Okay. Based on this figure, let's identify what is the name of this angle. Hello? Look at this one. Angle 1, look at this. Angle 1 and angle 8. What type of angle relation is that? How will I call them? Huh? Alternate exterior. Very good. Look at that. Again, angle 1 and angle 8. Agree? Do you agree? Alternate exterior, right? Okay. Marcus, what about angle 2 and angle 3? What is that?
Angle interior.
Yeah, they are interior. What type of angle relation? Are they consecutive? Are they same side? Are they alternate interior or alternate exterior? Interior? Okay, they are interior. Specifically, what type of interior is this one? Is it alternate interior or consecutive interior?
¿Son alternos o consecutivos?
Consecutivos. Okay. So, this is consecutive interior.
Y son interiores, ¿verdad? Okay, listo.
Very good. Same side. Next. 5 and 7. Look. 5 and 7. They are in the same location. What type of angle relation is that, Iman? You know?
Consecutivo externo. Dicen consecutive externo.
They are in the same position.
Están en la misma posición.
Huh? Corresponding. They are corresponding angle. One exterior and one interior on the same side of the transversal. Do you remember that? I just flip it over. Again, this is corresponding. angles. Please remember. Next. Angle 2, angle 7. What is that? Come on, tell me.
2 y 7, Carlos.
Alternate what? There are two alternate.
Interior.
Interior. They're both interior because they're inside, and they are alternate interior angle. Very good. Next, angle 1 and angle 3. Look at that. Angle 1 and angle 3. They are in the same position. Marlon. One exterior and one interior. What is that?
Corresponding.
Hi. Corresponding angles is correct.
Orden.
Very good. Oh, go Marcus. What is 6 and 7?
Pero, mucho de
Interior.
Pero, what?
6 y 7.
Interior.
Consecutive interior.
Consecutive interior. Very good. Are we good? Now, I'm giving you 3 minutes to do number 2.
3 minutos
Again.
para hacer el número 2.
Yep. Do from letters A to J because there's so much, unlike number 1 up to F.
A to J.
A to J.
Vamos de la A a la J.
Go, 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 go,
A
go,
a la
go.
J,
A to J.
el
Come
número
on.
2. 3 minutos.
Pues para que me copiar.
No.
Para que me copiar.
3 minutos para el número 2 de las letras A a la J. Si alguien necesita ayuda, por
I
favor,
give you an example like that.
me dejan saber. Si alguien necesita ayuda, por favor, me dejan saber.
Tres minutos. Two more minutes. At 8, we're gonna start. If they will master this one, Mr. Romero, it will be easy for them to solve because after that is solving. Like what would be the value of angle 1 if your angle 9 is 90, something like that, or 30.
Yeah.
If they know the relation, they will understand.
¿Alguien tiene preguntas? Con mucho gusto. Pero no dejen de hacerlo.
You finish?
Alguien en el baño. Creo que Oner está en el baño.
Yeah, honor.
Tan pronto regrese, con mucho gusto puede ser. ¿Ok?
1 more minute.
No dejen de hacerlo, por favor, inténtenlo.
And we're done. Let's go. Okay. Angle 5 and angle 13. 5, look at this. 5 and 13. Will you tell me what type of angle relation are they? Carter? 5 and 13.
I have to check back, sorry.
That's okay. Marlon? Oh. Corresponding. Very good. Corresponding angles. Very good. Next. Angle 7 and angle 14. I heard the answer, but I'm gonna call somebody. If they're paying attention, they can say that.
7 y 14.
Alternative
Interior. Okay, very good. That is correct. Alternate interior angle. Very good. Next. 3 and 6. Huh? Alternate exterior. Very good. Nice. Sarah, answer letter D. Nine and 16. What is it?
Alternate exterior.
Exterior. So alternate exterior angles. Very good. Next, Marcus. 4, 7.
consecutivo interior.
Consecutivo interior. Very good. Very good. Next. 2. Imer. 2 and 10.
Corresponding.
Corresponding. Very good. Bravo, Imer. Next. 8 and 14. What is that? Kev, you try. What is 8 and 14? Are they interior or are they exterior?
Exteriores.
¿Cuál es la?
Huh? Who wants to help? Kevin? Marlon? Exterior? Are they exterior? No, they are interior. But what relation do they have? Consecutive interior. Very good. Consecutive interior angles. Very good. Next. 6 and 11. 6 and 11. No? Imer said no. No relación. Is that correct? Do they have a line that connects them? No. So you will write what? No relation. Very good, very good. Excelente. Next, 4 and 13. Look at that. 4 and 13. Shifa, try. What type of relation are they? Are they connected?
I don't think so. I think I have no relation.
You said no relation? Marcus, no relation? They don't belong. Is there any line?
Sí, tiene.
Huh?
Si tiene, alternativo interior.
Interior.
Alternativo interior.
No. No relation.
No relation?
No relation.
Agree, no relation?
Sí.
Because, look, I have yeah, I have that 2 lines, but they are, I don't know, like, you know, like, they are, how do you say parallel? Is parallel?
Yeah, parallel.
There's no relation yet.
So no relation? That's your final answer? You are correct!
Recuerden que siempre manejamos los ángulos por dos líneas, ¿verdad? ¿Verdad que sí? Un ángulo siempre la manejando líneas. Mírenme para aquí, por favor. No digo que esto es un ángulo, una línea y dos líneas. Estas dos líneas no se cruzan.
They don't meet.
¿Ok? Solamente este ángulo corresponde a esta línea y esta línea, pero este ángulo no lo toca ni esta línea ni esta línea. Y a este ángulo no lo toca ni esta línea. Entonces no hay relación.
Very good.
¿Listo?
I love that. Next, last one, 4 and 9. 4 and 9. What's that? Brittany. Go, Brittany.
Alterno y interno.
Very good.
Alterno, interno.
Alternate interior. Very good. I think you got it. Do you understand? Do you have any question? Bessie, do you understand? Are you sure?
¿Preguntas?
Voy a ir a traer agua.
Sí, sí. Él va a traer algo, pues.
Are we good so far? Next, let's scroll down.
Okay.
Ooh. We need to. Wait. What did I do? I believe I rotated.
Bien.
How did I rotate? I forgot.
Edit?
Edit? Where is it, Mr. Ray? Out here?
Maybe.
No. That's not it.
Ayer,
I forgot how it's called. Because we answered this one. Last time. I actually we did it. The kids and I still don't do it. Out here? No, that's all I still need download. Huh?
More tools refers to
Yeah, these are more tools. Edit, space, copy.
Yo le pedí por el viernes.
How come that we have not?
El último día.
Okay. I'll do my part. I think I have a copy that it's standing.
Yo iba a venir. Leer. La parte más me gusta leer. Sí, era. Casi todos los que hablamos español estamos de solo un.
Okay, ready? We're not done. So today, I just want you to memorize the relation, then tomorrow we will solve. Alright, now, look at this one. This is kind of different because you are the one who will give the angle pairs, the relation. The first box says, name the transversal. Angle 1 and angle 12. Angle 1 and angle 12. Huh? Okay. So since they're asking for what is the transversal common to them, your answer should be 9L. Huh? Again, they're asking what type of transversal. They're not asking what type of relation do they have. You got that part? Very good. Good job. Next. Angle 3 and angle 6. Oh, what transversal do they connected? Are they connected? Angle What letter is this?
J.
J. So line J. Line J. Next, 7 and 15. Look at that. What is the transversal that connects them? Okay, line M. Very good. Next, 12.
Line K.
Line K. Very good. Nice. I like it. Again, I just want to emphasize the reason why we're putting the name of the transversal, because that's what they want us to do. Not the what? Not the angle relation, huh? Are we good so far with the name of the transversal? Okay, good. Preguntas? Okay, next. I want you to give me corresponding angle. Any corresponding angle that you can see. Come on, give me one pair.
1 and 5.
Carter.
1 and 9.
1 and 9. 1 and 9 are corresponding. That is correct. Okay? Angle 2 and angle 10 are corresponding. Right? Write it there because there's so much. They only require 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but there's a lot. We have like 15 pairs that we can get. Alright? I'm not gonna write everything. I'm just telling you. What else? Carter.
3 and 11.
3. 1, 2, 3, and 11. 1, 2, 3. That is one pair as well. Look at the markings that I am putting, huh? One more. You can have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Those are the pair of angles in line L only. Got it? Now, can I find another corresponding angle in line M? Yes, there's a lot. How many pairs? There are 4. There are 4 pairs again.
5 and 13, 7 and 15.
There you go. 5 and 13, 6 and 14, 7 and 15, 8 and 16. So see, there's another 4. Now, can I find another corresponding angle in line K? Is there any corresponding in line K? Yes. Those are 10 and 14, 12 and 16, 9 and 13, 11 and 15. Is there any corresponding in line J? There is. How many pair? 4 also. 1 and 5. 3 and 2 and 4 and I think you know that. See, there's 16 pairs in total. Okay, write the answers here. Did you write your answer here? I'm not gonna write because there's a lot. It's all your choice. It's all in your choice. Which one you would like to have.
Ok, aquí lo que estamos haciendo, obviamente ya nosotros nombramos lo que eran cada una de las transversales, ¿verdad? ¿Sabemos hacer eso? ¿Sí? Explícame una de esas, Carlos, si puedes. O alguien más, no necesariamente Carlos, o alguien más. Dime. Sí, entre el ángulo 1 y el 12, ¿cuál es la transversal? 1, aquí está el 1, y el 12 está aquí. ¿Cuál es la transversal? La línea L. ¿Sí? Entonces, ¿cuál es la transversal del ángulo 3 y el ángulo 6? Entonces, 3 y 6, ¿cuál es la transversal? Esta. ¿Qué letra tiene esto? La J. Así es como yo encuentro la transversal. ¿Listo? ¿Sí? ¿No? ¿Más ejemplos?
¿Por qué?
Excelente pregunta. ¿Por qué? Porque me están dando los ángulos que yo necesito encontrar para determinar cuál es la transversal. Entonces, hagamos el 7 y el 15. ¿En dónde está el 7? El 7 está aquí. ¿Y el 15 en dónde está aquí? ¿Cuál es la transversal que que crea los ángulos 7 y 15. La M.
Yes.
¿De acuerdo? Aquí está. ¿Listos? Bien. Recuerden que esto es sencillo si presto atención y sobre todo si miro. Si no estoy mirando, es como usted está conduciendo, pero no está mirando para dónde va. Así de fácil es. ¿Ok? Bien. Ángulos correspondientes. ¿De acuerdo? Hay muchísimos. Hay muchísimos. La maestra dio unos ejemplos allí y nosotros vamos a comenzar a mirar. Entonces, vamos a mirar solamente los ángulos correspondientes, por lo menos de la transversal L. ¿Cuáles son correspondientes allí? El 1 y el 9. Entonces, 1 y 9 yo lo coloco aquí. Entonces, y lo voy a colocar de la manera como se... 1, ángulo 9, ¿verdad?
And let's use word
Ah.
and, Mr. Ron. So they will.
Ok.
There you go.
Listos. Entonces, así lo voy a colocar. El ángulo 1 y el ángulo 9 son correspondientes.
Yo puse la
And?
She used AT or class.
Is that 80? I don't know what. This one?
Sí. No.
Oh.
Puse el post, ajá, eso.
Más no.
Ella lo puso ahí en nosotros.
Sí.
Ok, déjame ver.
We use that and.
Okay. She refers to the plus sign, not T but plus.
So you can use this or you can use that or and. Plus sign will only use if you're solving. No plus.
El signo más solamente se utiliza, lo maestra dice que se utiliza solamente cuando estás solucionando cosas únicamente. Pero aquí no estamos solucionando. Entonces utilizamos estos símbolos, cualquiera de estos símbolos que está aquí, es más fácil es en.
Tú quisiste hacer esto, mira.
¿Listos?
Oye, tú querías hacer esto. Lo que está arriba de la.
Ok, ¿listo, Carlos?
Sí.
Ok, muy bien. Marcos, listo, es lo que estamos haciendo. Entonces, hay muchos. ¿Qué otro encontramos que son correspondientes en la L?
3 y 11.
El 3 y el 11. Correcto.
2 y 10.
There you go.
4 y
3 y 11. ¿Listos? Eso es lo que estamos haciendo. ¿Alguna pregunta? Muy bien. Hay muchísimos. ¿De
There's
acuerdo?
a lot. There's a lot.
No, entonces no es solamente colocar 2 o 3 o 4, hay muchísimos. Sí, señor. Ah,
6.
no.
Alternate interior. Give me an alternate interior. Give me one pair. Give me one pair. Further.
2 and 11.
2 and 11. 2 and 11. This one. Yes, that is correct. Any more? Right there. 2 and 11 if you wish. Because this is in your own choice. 2 and 11. What else? Marlon, give me one.
What?
4 and?
9.
9? Yes, that is correct. 4 and 9. That is correct. Any more? Email. 11. 11 and 2. Correct. 14. No. 14 and 11. Very good. That's alternate interior. Right? Is this alternate interior? 13 and 8? Look at that.
Yeah.
It is. Carter, this is your transversal. There are interior. Okay, what about 6 and 15? Are they alternate interior?
Yeah.
What about 12 and 13? Yes. Huh? You got it? What about 3 and 6? 3 and 6.
Yeah.
Alternate interior. Huh? There's a lot. You're gonna write. Next, alternate exterior. Give me one pair, Marisol. Exterior. Okay, wait, hold on. Here's what I will do. I'll give the number and you will give me the other half. Is that okay? Again, alternate exterior. What is the alternate exterior of 16?
5
5. What's the alternate exterior of 10?
and 3.
3 or 15. Right? For 16 earlier, you said 5, and it can also be 9. What's the alternate exterior of 8?
Exterior?
Yeah. Alternate exterior of 8.
Okay.
Huh?
Alternate
8.
exterior. Alternate exterior for 8.
11.
8 and 8 and
Exterior.
1.
Correct.
Who said 1? Marlon?
Marlon.
No, God.
Is there any other one?
Is there any more?
For 8?
I don't think so.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah. I think I mentioned everything.
I think it is.
Yeah. Next, consecutive. Give me consecutive. What is the consecutive of 13? Consecutive of 13. 6 and 11. Very good. Huh? What's the consecutive of 9?
2,
2. What's the consecutive of 8?
15,
15. What's the consecutive of 12?
14,
No, 14. You got it?
Estoy con el valor consecutive? Okay.
Okay. I think you understand that part. Okay, are we good? Let's do one more. I think this time, there is a value now. See?
Amigo, ven, te invito, me copa. Gracias, no veo. Entonces vamos por un café.
Una caliente.
Quiero recordar la época, loca.
Is Carlos singing?
La llegamos.
Carlos.
He thinks he has the X factor.
Carlos. That's what we call hangover of Thanksgiving. Not because you drink, but no, those are like you cannot move because you enjoy singing karaoke. Alright, now listen here. It says angle 1 is 65. Angle 1 is 65 degree. We need to label every single measure of this number. Now, what type of angle is angle 1 and angle 3?
64.
No. What angle relation?
Jason,
Huh?
Jason.
No.
Oh, over there, vertical.
Vertical angle. Do you remember vertical angle? We just did that.
I didn't realize
So-
which pages.
Vertical angle are always congruent to each other, right? So if angle 1 is 65, angle 3 is what? 65. Because they are vertical. Huh? Aside from that, angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 1 and angle 5.
Interior.
Corresponding.
Yes,
Corresponding. Because angle 1 and angle 5. So what is the measure of angle 1 and angle 5? What's the measure of angle 1 and angle 5?
65.
65. Because they are corresponding. Corresponding to angle 1. Vertical angle, vertical to angle 1. Oh, I'll do that. So it will be clear. Huh? So we did angle 5 as well. What do you think is the measure of angle 7? If angle 5 is 65, what is angle 7?
65.
Why?
Because
Very good. So, 7 is also 65 because it is vertical to angle 5. Now, what type of relation do I have if I have 4 and 5? 4 and 5. Consecutive. How much is the total of a consecutive? Are they equal to each other or are they equal to 180? 180. So, if angle 5 is 65, what do you think is the measure of angle 4? Is what? 150?
115.
Agree? Okay. So, angle 4 is 115. Because it is what? Consecutive to angle 5. There you go. Now, what is the measure of angle 6?
110.
Huh?
110.
110? Why?
Oh, 115.
115.
Okay.
Why?
I
Give
just-
me the reason. I
I
said angle 6, right, Carter?
yeah, I just did it because it was corresponding to 2. Sorry, I did my math a little bit wrong.
Okay, so because I'll take Carter's answer because it is corresponding to angle 2. So therefore, angle 2 is what? 115. Because it is vertical to angle 4. One more, angle 8. What about angle 8? Marcus? 100. Okay. Why? Jorge?
Porque es el mismo ángulo que el 6.
Okay, so because it is vertical to angle 6. Very good. Like it. Good job. Now, do you really understand the relation? Huh? With regards of their measurement. Actually, if you understand that, there's only 2 sets of answers. It's always be like, it's either 1 or 65 and the other one is 150. Whatever the given is. We will continue that tomorrow. Is there any more that we need to answer? All right. Good job, kids.
Una
16.
Ya iba a pedir.
¿Qué ha pasado con tu esposa? Divorciado. Seguro te dejó por ser discreta. ¿De acuerdo? Dejaría de darse la muerte, el tratamiento que me hizo ahorita y la última canción.
No, el jueves fue. El jueves y el sábado.
Creo.
No fui largo, estaba pin.
El jueves sí.